Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, we have to start with activating the developer options. So we have to enter the settings, go to the My Phone section and keep tapping on the build number. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to simply check our video about that, about them. We've got a lot of information provided. So after tapping on the build number, we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on the system and enter developer options. Here, basically, all we have to do is to simply scroll down just a little bit to find the automatic system updates. And in my case, this option is turned off, so just tap on the switcher. From now on, this option is active, so your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you don't really have to manually update your device, you just have to remember about restarting it from time to time. Of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher again. So basically that's all. This is how to enable automatic system updates in your INFINIX Note 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.